My name is Seamus McCombie. I'm better known on YouTube as McDuff2. Seamus is spelled S-E-U-M-A-S, slightly different from the Irish version. Now a little bit of history about the clan McCombie. The McCombies were originally affiliated to the Macintoshes round the area of Inverness. From there, the Macintoshes migrated to central Perthshire, where the name became McThomas. McThomas was the clan chief in Perthshire. Some of the McCombies in the early 1700s migrated from Perthshire to central Aberdeenshire, where they added a B. The original name was McCombie. So all kinsmen with the name McCombie can find that lineage with the migration to central Aberdeenshire. There's lots of McCombies worldwide, including the USA, Australia, New Zealand and Canada, as where I reside. Sláinte to the McCombies worldwide. We have all watched Hollywood Western movies when they come in firing their guns in and up to the bar. They ask for whiskey, and when you're drinking scotch, you never drink scotch like John Wayne does. Seamus is back again. There is a proper protocol to enjoying Scotch whisky. You have to have the right glasses to enjoy Scotch. This glass is made in France. This is another style of glass, and they're ideal for nosing Scotch whisky. On the bottom of this one from France, there's a little mat. Then there's this metal which is placed in the freezer for an hour, and it will get really cold. This will keep the coldness in the metal from escaping through to the tabletop. Then you place the glass on top and then add your whiskey. This is another style of whiskey glass for nosing. A little bit different this time. There's a little stainless steel ball which is placed in the freezer for an hour and then placed in the glass. Add the whiskey and roll the ball round the glass. This will cool the whiskey really fast. These designer glasses and the ball. Now, if you use ceramic cubes in the freezer for cooling your whiskey, the ceramic cubes, when they're in the freezer, attain all the flavours that's in that fridge, and that taints your whiskey, whereas these keep the whiskey cool and there's no tainting with these two types of glasses. Sláinte. There is a protocol to enjoy Scotch whisky. This will show you how to do it my way. First of all, Pour the whiskey in the glass. And you can, preferably, you can add a wee drop of water. Then you lift the glass and you push it around there. Then you nose it. You do this 3 times. And take a wee sip. Push it around your mouth for a few seconds. Then you swallow it. Then you wait, and then the aroma comes back. And you enjoy the whiskey. Then you take another wee sip. Push it around the mouth. Enjoy it. And then that aroma comes back. And have another wee sip. Until the glass is empty. And if the same feeling comes back again, you fill the whiskey glass and continue enjoying the aroma of Scotch whiskey. Sláinte. Sláinte.